Welcome back. My name is Carrie, and today I've got some crazy news for affordable housing. One of the hottest topics around the water cooler this year, maybe second only to the you-know-what, has been the general real estate market. That includes home prices, the cost to build, bidding wars, supply chain issues, all the reasons that home prices are out to lunch. It's not a secret that the lack of affordable housing options available is a massive problem. The funny thing is there are more affordable housing options available right now, and there has been for a long time, but the powers that be weren't necessarily open to them because they're different and require change. What I'm talking about are manufactured homes, prefab homes, and tiny homes. I've been saying for a while now that if home prices get too high, local officials will start easing restrictions to allow for these types of homes that a lot of people love in more areas. Well, folks, it's finally happening. Oakland City Council unanimously voted in favor of what's been called a truly historic ordinance that aims to tackle the housing crisis head on, and I think if successful could pave the way for other cities to follow suit. What I'm going to do is tell you what passed, show you a few examples of affordable homes that will soon be available in Oakland, and tell you why the pressure is now on for factory-built home providers. So let's do it. The Oakland Construction Innovation and Expanding Housing Options Ordinance was created to address the skyrocketing cost of building and create housing options and affordability for all Oaklanders. It was a result of 2 years of research and the realization that the city needs to move past a one-size-fits-all approach to housing. Not everyone dreams of owning a McMansion. In their announcement video posted on the Mayor's Office YouTube channel, they said themselves, one of the obstacles that stops us from building more innovative, cost-efficient housing is the outdated zoning and building regulations. There are just too many restrictions to what makes a home a home. Is that ever a breath of fresh air? To be perfectly honest, when I first heard about this, I wasn't expecting much. Usually changes are gradual. Typically you have to test the water, so I figured the Oakland City Council was going to dip their toe in to see if the water was nice. Wrong. This is more like a cannonball off the high dive. They're looking to make changes. Like right now. The Oakland Construction Innovation and Expanded Housing Options Ordinance will update the city's regulations to allow residential occupancy of RVs and tiny homes on wheels on private property subject to certain health and safety standards, remove the existing ban to allow mobile and manufactured homes in all zoning districts where residential uses are permitted, establish density and open space regulations for efficiency dwelling units, and establish height regulations for modular construction. Can you believe that? Tiny homes, manufactured homes, and ADUs can now be utilized throughout the city. This is a massive step for affordable housing, and here's why. Up until recently, a trend I was noticing was cities would allow for these types of homes, but only as a secondary dwelling. That's still a step in the right direction because it adds homes to the rental market and can offset the cost of home ownership by providing monthly rental income for a homeowner. However, the argument I kept seeing was that this strategy only benefits people who already own a home. A good point. Still a step in the right direction, but just a small step. That's why this announcement in Oakland is so exciting. This is a huge step that will allow for alternative forms of housing in a lot more areas, which will solve another argument I get on my channel all the time, anytime I post about tiny homes, manufactured homes, or ADUs, which is you can't put these things anywhere. Guess what, people? Now you can. If you're new to the factory-built housing space, there are a lot of great affordable homes available and even more people who want to live in them, but zoning restrictions often stops the process before you even have a chance to watch any home tours and pick out a house. Let me show you a few affordable options that will now be available for the good people of Oakland. First of all, people will be able to occupy RVs and tiny homes on wheels subject to certain health and safety standards. These are some of the most affordable homes available requiring minimal site prep other than sewer and water connections. I don't know a lot about tiny homes on wheels, but a quick search and I was able to find a company selling brand new units for $35,000. They come built on a mobile floor system trailer, have a front porch with an octagon window and single French door, 9 fully insulated vinyl windows with screens, cedar or lapboard exterior siding fully painted or stained, a full electrical kit with 10 outlets and 6 LED lights, full kitchenette with fridge, stove, sink, all-in-one washer dryer unit, a heater AC unit, and a bathroom with a water heater, toilet, sink, and shower. The home shown is 9 by 22 and listed on the discount section of their website for $38,450. Keep in mind that is a brand new unit, so I'm guessing there are more affordable options on the used market. What I like best about this option is it requires minimal site prep and can be temporary if someone isn't looking for long term. Sewer connection, water connection, back the home in, level it out, boom, move on in. Next, they lifted the existing ban on manufactured homes. When this takes place, you will be able to place a manufactured home in all zoning districts where residential use is permitted. Think about that for just a second. Manufactured homes are going from being banned to being allowed in every zoning district. They aren't messing around. This opens up an array of affordable housing options from 1 bedroom in 500 square feet to 4+ bedrooms in 2,600 square feet. Homes Direct, just up the street in Sacramento, has the Casa de Silo. Yes, I did see in the comments last time I posted about that home that I'm pronouncing it wrong, so I apologize in advance, but they've got it for $64,591. It's a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom home with a front living room that's open to the kitchen. Then there's a short hallway to the bathroom and bedroom. The home shown does have a $5,000 exterior package on it, which I'm guessing changes the slope of the roof and gets you the extra windows. The other end of the spectrum is the Timber Ridge Elite, a triple wide with a total footprint of 2,635 square feet. The base model of this home starts at just $88.76 per square foot for a total price of $233,888. It's a 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom home with an open floor plan, massive kitchen, and tons of living space. I've been in this home at their Oregon location, and let me tell you, it's something else. The home comes in 3 pieces and is over 2,600 square feet on 1 level. Way more space than most people need, but perfect for those who like a little extra elbow room. Those are 2 homes on either end of the spectrum, just to give you a feel for what will soon be available, but there are many, many sizes and configurations available in between. All that's left to do now is for the industry to deliver. Tiny prefab and manufactured home builders have just been given a very big opportunity. Limitations on where these types of homes can be placed is a challenge the industry has faced for years, but it looks like that might all be changing. I think Oakland will be a model for other cities facing similar affordability issues, so the pressure is on as an industry to deliver high quality homes that live up to all promises made, so other cities realize, yes, those regulations were outdated and unnecessary. I personally think this is an amazing change made by Oakland that has the potential to make a real difference in their affordability problem in a short amount of time, and I'm excited to follow along as the changes roll out. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.